Wrapped in intelligent warmth engineered for the future, this advanced heated blanket redefines comfort using cutting-edge carbon nanotube technology. Built with Apollo's Flex HT innovation, it delivers 1-minute rapid heating that distributes far-infrared warmth evenly across its surface. This isn't just fast, it's smart. The low and safe voltage system minimizes risk while maximizing thermal performance, drawing 60% less energy than traditional electric blankets. The Wondermaker ZR Ultra 4 is a cutting-edge 3D printer built for creators, engineers, and hobbyists who seek a streamlined and efficient printing experience. With an ultra-low heat bed temperature, this printer ensures that your printed objects remain firmly in place, cutting down on energy usage. This reduces your power bills while contributing to a greener planet. Designed for optimal performance, the ZR Ultra is engineered for fast, multicolor, and multi-material printing. The Questyle NHB12 stands as a revolutionary advancement in the world of audio, offering the first-ever true lossless earphones for Apple users. Unlike traditional high-end audio setups, the NHB12 uses an innovative audio SiP chip and integrates seamlessly with Apple Music's lossless content to provide an unmatched plug-and-play experience. With its groundbreaking true lossless sound technology, the NHB12 ensures audio fidelity that preserves the essence of the original recording. The V-neck Pillow Lounge redefines comfort for modern travelers, offering unparalleled convenience and support. Whether you're navigating busy airports, relaxing by the pool, or enjoying a long flight, this innovative pillow adapts effortlessly to your needs. In seconds, it transforms into a fully functional air lounge, providing a perfect spot for you to relax during breaks in your journey. Designed with portability in mind, the pillow is lightweight yet supportive, ensuring that your neck and head remain well cushioned. Its versatile nature allows you to use it not only for neck support, but also for lounging anywhere you need. The Solo Stove Mesa 5.1-inch tabletop fire pit offers a compact and efficient solution for outdoor warmth and ambiance. Perfectly sized for small spaces, it's ideal for patios, camping trips, or even backyard gatherings. Weighing just 1.4 pounds, its portable design makes it easy to carry and set up wherever you need it. The fire pit's smokeless burn system ensures a cleaner, more enjoyable experience by reducing the amount of smoke produced, allowing you to focus on the warmth and beauty of the fire. The LodTech Heated Ice Cream Scoop revolutionizes your dessert experience with its innovative design. Engineered for effortless scooping, it utilizes thermal conductive materials that heat up to a maximum of 113 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to easily scoop even the hardest ice cream. The scoop's maximum peripheral temperature reaches 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring smooth and effective service. Hero Electric Nail Clipper combines modern technology with refined design to deliver a revolutionary grooming experience. This innovative device offers a 2-in-1 function, both clipping and filing nails effortlessly. Its sleek, stylish design transforms any space into a sophisticated setting, doubling as an exquisite desktop ornament. Safety is at the forefront with built-in infrared detection, ensuring secure operation while preventing accidents. The clippers are thoughtfully designed to be user-friendly, making them ideal for both the elderly and children. When stiffness locks up your knees after a long day or your joints ache from old injuries, relief shouldn't take hours. This innovative 3-in-1 therapy device targets knee discomfort fast, combining deep tissue air compression, penetrating infrared light, and customizable heat therapy. In less than 15 minutes, the unit works through layers of tension, encouraging blood flow and reducing inflammation where it hurts most. The design wraps comfortably around your knee using soft massage airbags that mimic gentle kneading to stimulate surrounding muscles and ligaments. Cradled in midair, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. A unique solution for pet oral care, the Orizi stress-free microcurrent toothbrush provides an innovative way to ensure your pet's teeth stay clean without the typical hassle of traditional brushing. By using gentle microcurrent technology, this toothbrush removes plaque up to 6 times more effectively than a standard brush, offering superior cleaning with minimal effort. Unlike conventional tools, it operates without vibration, noise, or irritation, making it ideal for pets who are sensitive or anxious during oral care routines. Even the most traditional bedroom can be transformed into a high-functioning space when this innovative side table enters the scene. Merging design with technology, this piece redefines what a nightstand should be. It includes a built-in cooling drawer, perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, or medication at the right temperature without leaving your bed. Whether placed beside your bed or your living room chair, the wireless charging pad on top keeps your phone powered without clutter. Bluetooth speakers are neatly integrated, offering immersive sound without requiring separate gear. Harnessing cutting-edge optics and intuitive AI, the Insta360 Link-to transforms your workspace into a professional broadcast setup. Outfitted with a powerful 1/2-inch sensor, it captures nuanced detail in sharp 4K clarity, complete with HDR and stellar low-light handling. Whether you're lit by studio lamps or a desk lamp, the image stays vibrant and balanced. The real magic unfolds with phase detection autofocus, delivering rapid, tack-sharp precision with every movement, perfect for live demos or dynamic calls. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power. This portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kilohertz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. Breathe beneath the waves without the burden of traditional tanks. Sea Air redefines how we explore the underwater world. Engineered for simplicity and efficiency, this fully self-contained tankless diving system floats effortlessly on the surface while delivering clean, reliable air to divers below through a high-performance battery-powered compressor. Compact and lightweight, Sea Air makes every dive smoother, longer, and more accessible, whether you're exploring coral reefs or gliding through calm coastal waters. The Maca To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Maca To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. Introducing the future of connectivity, the Super Cable 2.0, engineered to exceed every expectation. Designed to deliver lightning-fast speeds of up to 120 gigabits per second and handle power demands of up to 240 watts, this cable is a true game changer. Whether you're powering multiple 8K displays or transferring massive amounts of data, the Super Cable 2.0 ensures seamless performance every time. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. Stand out day or night with the Jetson Pixel Hoverboard, an illuminated ride that blends bold aesthetics with smooth functionality. From the moment it's powered on, the Pixel commands attention. Its clear outer shell reveals a network of internal circuits and components, turning every ride into a rolling light show. Dual LED light zones, embedded beneath the translucent body and inside the 6.5-inch wheels, glow with brilliant shifting colors. A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. Introducing the Head Pop Focus, the first of its kind in smart skincare technology. This revolutionary device combines cutting-edge features to deliver a professional-grade skincare experience from the comfort of your own home. With its focus mode, the device delivers a consistent, pulsing action to effectively remove blackheads without causing any damage to the skin. Built to handle harsh conditions and designed for professionals on the move, the Galaxy Tab Active 5G is a workhorse in a compact 8-inch frame. Powered by an octa-core processor and available with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, this tablet doesn't shy away from heavy multitasking. Expand your capacity further with up to 1 TB via microSD, ample room for documents, high-res images, and complex apps. In the world of premium spirits, ice is more than a detail, it's a defining element. For years, we made do with cloudy cubes from standard fridge trays and budget machines. The result? Icy drinks that reeked of freezer burn and melted into watery shadows of their intended taste. That wasn't acceptable. Not for those who savor every note in a single malt or bourbon. We explored faster machines, sleeker models, but they fell short. The ice came out brittle, hollow, or too quick to disappear. The Rankstone Rank Case elevates the experience of using your iPhone with its thoughtfully designed features. The 3.98-inch high-definition ink screen provides an expansive, clearer display, enhancing the overall visual experience. With a larger screen-to-body ratio, every image appears sharper, while the reduction of pattern noise ensures the display is finer and more refined, offering crisp text and images for optimal readability. The case is crafted with an elegant and sophisticated design, making it not only functional but also a statement piece. Command your workspace with a sleek solution that merges power, organization, and efficiency. The Yafo Prisma 3-in-1 isn't just another desktop gadget, it's a calculated upgrade for anyone who values clean lines and clear surfaces. At just 10.2 inches wide, this space-saving unit consolidates 3 functions into one streamlined system, eliminating tangled wires and desk clutter. At its core, the Prisma delivers wireless charging precision with support for multiple Qi-enabled devices, phones, earbuds, even smartwatches. The Wakako Minipresso NS2 is designed to redefine portable espresso brewing. Compact and efficient, this manually operated espresso maker is engineered for coffee lovers who seek quality on the go. With a modest 80-milliliter tank and a height of just 130 millimeters. The Minipresso NS2 is light, weighing only 0.64 pounds, making it an ideal companion for travel or outdoor adventures. The Hato 12-volt rotary toolkit offers precision and versatility for a range of tasks. With a powerful, brushless motor that reaches up to 35,000 RPM, this tool is built for high efficiency and durability. Its 12-volt system ensures consistent power, while the 3,000 mAh battery provides extended use, allowing for long hours of uninterrupted work. Designed with stability in mind, this rotary tool ensures smooth and controlled operation. Blistering heat doesn't belong in your tent, RV, or tiny cabin. That's where the EcoFlow Wave steps in, built to dominate the elements with 4,000 BTUs of efficient, fast cooling. Whether you're parked in the desert or camped deep in the woods, this portable air conditioner changes the game with extended run times and intelligent control. With the optional 1008 WH add-on battery, you can power the Wave for up to 8 hours on Eco mode, making it a go-to solution for off-grid cooling. Elevate your workspace with the FlexStand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized.